Hello and welcome to another macro video. Today we're looking at a new macro called AccentAlyse. Although actually to call it a new macro isn't strictly true. I've had one called AccentAlyse for a while, but it's been very difficult to use, and so I've done a new version which is like all the other analysis macros. It's just sort of point and click. So just to remind you, you've got a set of analysis macros doing various things, checking inconsistencies in all sorts of different areas, and today we're going to look at the accents. So if we've got, say, Beverly and Baverley with a acute accent rather than the ordinary E. But actually it's a slight misnomer to call it AccentAlyse, because it's not just ordinary accented characters, it's any non-A to Z characters that it will analyze for you and point out inconsistencies. So as I say, it's a point and click type macro. So there's a file. Let's point and click and run AccentAlyse. Do you want to analyze this document? Yes, please. And so it goes through and finds words which are similar but don't have exactly the same set of non-A to Z characters. So it comes up with a list like that, and you can see all the variations and how often each occurs. That was fairly fast, but it was only an 8,000 word file, but with a large file I'm sure it'll be fine. And along with that, I've also improved another existing macro, AccentWordCollector. So the idea of that one is that we're trying to find exactly what accented characters there are in the document. So if I go back to my test file there and run the macro, then it looks through to find any characters with different characters in, any words with different characters. It asks me do I want to remove duplicates. So the list as it stands, if I say no, will show me how many times each word occurs. So cafe there is 4 times and so on. But let's have the duplicates removed, yes. So we just end up with a list of all of the accented character words, and if we compare that with our accent use list, this list only contains the words where there's a confusion, where there is some possible variation. So many of those words there only occur in that particular format and not anything similar. So there you go. I hope that's a useful macro for you, and if you've got any queries, do drop me an email. Thanks for watching. Bye now.